What is Qigong? Qi is the energy and Gong is work, is a work of energy. I invite you to activate the Qi in your hands, so you're going to feel it for yourself. One palm up, one palm down. Turn, relax the body, no tension in the arms. Bring the hands together and see if you could feel a little tingling, a little resistance. If you don't, there's something that comes very, very quickly. This is the Qi. With this energy, with this Qi, we are working with inside the body and also outside the body. We are working with the meridians, we are working with organs. In Qigong, we work with seasons. We have a place in the world. We are always conscious that we are in connection with the earth and in connection with the universe. We are living with a season. Every season has an element and a pair of organs. For example, winter, like now, it's the kidneys, it's the water, it's the bladder, everything to do with water. So we might do some movements. And in my class, when I teach Qigong, I like to bring Qigong and emotion. So for example, today we did releasing the tension and calming the nervous system.